All I need is one day, one time. All I need is one take, one line, and I'm gonna make you fall in love with.
Hey girlfriend, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Dejah Denise. The voice is groggy, baby. It's like 5 in the morning, 5, 6 in the morning. And Joe's about to take me to the airport because it's a girls trip to Utah. We're doing snowmobiles, the whole 9. So I got the GoPro. It's gonna be a lit vloggy vlog. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do that. Don't forget to like, and throughout the video, go ahead and comment and tell me what's your favorite part.
We're gonna disappear into the rocks.
Girls trip.
Okay. Stop. Right. Licking your fingers.
I'm trying to be famous on your Instagram. I mean, yeah, you can.
No, this one.
To get an attraction.
Bought it up, like then I got her. All I need is one day, one time. All I need is one take, one line.
We're here. Oh, not falling. Quick little house tour of the mansion of our cabin. It's huge, 5 bedrooms, so let's go.
Yeah, she love the way that we move, so she wanna be with my crew, 'cause she love the way that we do. Lighting up the stage, just have a mosh pit. Cinderella, baby, drop the ball with it. Some of my dogs, yeah, they dogs with it. I be coolin', I be robbing. Baby, yeah, you dealing with a boss. Did you know you dealing with a star? I just put the handy on the rocks. I'ma put the icing on the watch. Yeah. I'm a playboy, I need a cardi. If you wanna play, you sorry. She say that she wanna get to know me. Play all my tracks and that she want me. Ballin' my name, the gas like octane. Shit, I'm about to evolve. Cap is your game, shoot but don't aim. You know that I'm a big dog. You ain't really want to smoke with me, so let me know if you do. She wanna involve with me, just all the way that I move. Yeah, she love the way that we move, so she wanna be in my crew. Love the way that we do, baby. Love the way that we move. Love the way that you do, baby. Wanna be in my crew. Love the way that you do, baby. I love the way that you move. If you bang, we put a whole hand in it like a Pringles can. I'm smoking that gas, the color Peter Pan. I know she from Philly, she an Eagles fan. She a thick thigh, little mama dick ride. She a good girl, but she looking bad tonight. She a hood girl, got me on the back of mine. She wanna smoke the front, so I put the back without. You know I be moving around. I know we the talk of the town. Hold another bottle around. Hold another pound of the south. Smoke me, so let me know if you do. You ain't involved with me, just out the way that I do. Yeah, she love the way that we move, so she wanna be in my crew. Love the way that you do, love the way that you move.
Good morning, friends. We didn't do anything last night. We'll go to sleep. Say what's up. Good morning. Good morning, friends. So we're about to make breakfast and then go get massages and then escape room. Yeah.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Standard. Hurricane, ooh, yeah, I want it.
Food's done, thanks to Crystal. Ow.
So, quick toast, thank you guys for pulling up for a quick girls weekend. I know we all have a lot going on. Congratulations on finishing your course. Thank you. Congrats on new clientele. Congrats on new jobs. Congrats on a lot of sponsorships. Also, today makes 2 months since she lost her mom, so we're gonna give her some extra love and encouragement. Extra. So she is here with us. Yes. Real time, it's okay. Yeah. Real time. Authentic. Yes. All love. Make some new friends. Yeah. For you. Yes. So, love y'all to death. Cheers. Yeah.
this song. Oh wait.
Hi guys. Hi.
Hi. It's escape room time. Took forever, but we on the way. Then we're doing massages after. I had to step outside of the escape room because it's a little bit crowded, but we're doing Deep South and it's like a butcher room, but it's live actors, and I didn't know that it was live actors. And I don't know if y'all know this about me, but I'm super scary. Like, I don't like scary stuff, nothing like that. So I'm gonna be doing this escape room with my eyes closed. How was your first time at the escape room? I was good until somebody started panicking, but it was great. Look, who started panicking? How was the escape room? It was so scary. It was scary, but we made it. Nice. How was it? I cried. But yeah, and I'm still shaking. Nia, how was the escape room?
It was terrifying. They put me in the front. My room was different. I just felt like the butcher just had his eyes set on me, for sure.
So we just got to the Sundance spa, but look y'all, it's like legit a winter wonderland outside.
The time, roses at your feet, baby girl be mine, baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey, look, pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her the.
Just finished the massage. Oh my god, it was so good. Got deep tissue. If you're ever here, spot at Sundance, 10 out of 10, chef's kiss, highly recommend. This trip has been a freaking adventure. We just got back. And now you just lit the fire pit. And then we got the hot tub going. We're about to get some drinks. We got some Henny, got some Casamigos. Let's put on swimsuits. Have a real good big lit time.
Yes, sir.
Crazy. He gonna keep curving you.
I like to be.
Y'all what?
Okay. I'm watching the Happy Life with me on cue. Tap tap.
Very smooth.
Oh, this is.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very right.
I serve it like a bird, like Russian, Dutch, and German. Floated, make you nervous. In that Tuesday wagon, 22s, looking murderous. I pop my shoulder, that picture, get this bird.
We just got the hot tub and showered, and we're about to have like a girls' night. About to drink some more and do like face mask, and we have like cute pajamas. This one's from Misguided. It's linked below if you like. It's not sponsored at all, but it's really cute. Let me show y'all.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, yeah. Rolling buzz down. I just touched down. Don't do no lean. Yeah. Put the crush down. Yeah. Club going crazy as shit. Yeah. Feel like I'm mad at this shit. Some of you niggas look dusty. They need a maintenance bitch. Let the bodies hit the floor. 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 Everybody hit the floor. You got bottles, I got more. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor.
Morning, friends. So we went to bed at 3 a.m. and had to be up at 6 so that we can go to our snowmobile shindig. My suit comes with like gloves and a purse and a bag. Hopefully super fun. It snowed some more last night too.
Hopefully.
All right, very excited. We just got to the snowmobiling place, but I'm so excited. I need to zip up, but the fit is giving. Cute pics for the gram. Excited?
Very.
Excited? Had them shaking with excitement. I'm so excited. Let me in the back. Let's get it. You don't want to Yamaha Chrome by the 1100. What we doing? Getting money. What y'all doing hating on us? And I'll be studying like my daddy.
Try something.
Okay. Ooh. It's so pretty. It's so pretty.
The GoPro is giving everything, yeah. We're waiting. Mia lost her phone, and the guys leave their stuff cranked up. But it's so beautiful out here. I had to put this face mask on. I was trying to be cute, but we already got our picture, so cute is over. It was lit. How was it? It was great. It was great.
Yeah, my nose ring gone. It's gone.
Oh shoot.
Sure, that's $99. I'll be alright. The way we all losing the shit today, okay? Alright.
Super fun. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all next week. Bye, girlfriend.